Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, February 26th. The essay from the Book of Awakening I'm going to read for you today is titled One Constant Arrival. As always, after reading, we're going to do a short reflection around it. Whether drifting through life on a boat or climbing toward old age leading a horse, each day is a journey, and the journey itself is home. 12 years ago, as my journey through cancer was beginning, my grandmother was dying. I did not know I had cancer, but I believe she knew she was dying. I could tell because when I'd visit her in Kingsbrook Medical Center in Brooklyn, she would sit on the edge of her bed and peer off into some distance she alone could see. She was 94. And I had the feeling that she was imagining the other shore the way she did when she was 10, crossing the Atlantic on a crowded steamship that was trudging through the huge waves. Life for her was one endless immigration, one constant arrival in a new land. Perhaps this is why I am a poet, because immigration is in my blood. Perhaps this is why I understand the world of experience as one vast ocean we never stop crossing, even at death. So I'm asking you to imagine the life of your spirit on earth as such an immigration, as one constant arrival in a new land. Given this, we must accept that no matter the shore before us, the swell and toss of the sea never ends. When brought to the crest of a swell, we can see as far as eternity, and the soul has its perspective. But when in the belly of those waves, we are, each of us, for the moment, lost. The life of the soul on earth has its bobbing on a raft of flesh in and out of view of eternity. And the work of the inner pilgrim is to keep eternity in our heart and mind's eye when dropped into the belly of our days. That's such a beautiful metaphor. So take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Just see if you can find a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now imagine yourself bobbing safely on the ocean of experience we never stop crossing. Breathe deeply and imagine each day is a wave. Enter your own rhythms and feel what kind of wave today is. If today is cresting, look about you and take in all that you can see of life, all this beautiful perspective. And if today turns out to be a belly of a day for you, acknowledge the hardships you're facing. And remember that another crest is coming. This too shall pass. Bring to mind the last rising, remembering what that enabled you to see. Allow this to be your support in the belly of a wave, in the belly of this day. Now place your hands on your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace, both when my day is a crest of a wave or the belly of it. Now gently let go of your practice. Scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. Whether drifting through life on a boat or climbing toward old age leading a horse, each day is a journey, and the journey itself is home. Treat each day as one constant arrival, one wave at a time. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.